Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and a review for these bath bombs. They are formulated with pure essential oils, and this is a gift box set of 12 of them. You can find these on Amazon, and I will have all the links below. I think it says these are 2.5 ounces. Yep, these are 2.5 ounces each. This just has instructions. It says fill the bathtub with warm water, unwrap one bath bomb, place in the water, and after colorful bubbles fizzle out, you can enjoy your bath. So like I said, there's 12 different ones. So I'm going to show you what those look like. Peppermint, and I'll unwrap them so you can see how colorful they are. They have a little bit of tissue paper with the kind that they are, and then they're wrapped in cellophane. I'm going to try to set them back in there how they were, so I remember which is which. At the end of this video, I will do a really brief demo. I'm just putting one in the tub so you can see it. Lavender. They do smell pretty fragrant. I love lavender. I'm not sure which one I'm going to demo yet. I might let Jackson do that. Pretty orange and yellow. This one is sweet orange. I like that one. Next one is grapefruit. This one is a purple and white color. Typically don't like grapefruit, but that actually has a nice smell to it. This one is cinnamon. Love how colorful they are. Rosemary, ooh, I bet that's a good one. That one's green. That one smells good. This would make a nice gift. They're all individually wrapped and presented really well. That one's rose. I typically don't like rose, but this actually smells really good. Probably because they use essential oils instead of fragrance oils that are formulated. Tea tree, another one of my favorites. Green and yellow. Frankincense, that's awesome. I do like the smell of that for sure. This one's a light yellow and orange. This is going to be so hard to pick to do just one. It's chamomile. I love chamomile tea. If you haven't tried that, oh my gosh, it's one of my favorites. Blue and yellow. That smells really good. I like these little stickers too. Lemon. And last one is jasmine. Blue and white. That one smells really good. So I will go ahead and pick one of these. I'll insert a little clip at the end of this video. If you guys are interested, they can be found on Amazon. So I'll leave both the US and the UK link. And one of the links has a discount built into it. So I will leave all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.